Cyprian of Carthage, De Catholicae Ecclesiae Unitate, Episode 7. Intellectus tamen est et retusus et ideo prostratus quia agnatus atque detectus. In this continuation of the sentence, Cyprian is talking about the serpent, or the devil, who came and attempted to tempt Christ. Dominum ipsum, as he says, the Lord himself in the previous portion. Nevertheless, intellectus est. He was discovered or understood. This is a perfect passive participle, intellectus, with a form of esse. It's a perfect passive indicative. Intellectus is the fourth principal part of the third conjugation verb, intellegere. Nevertheless, he was found out, and he was rebuffed. He was driven back or bruised. This is also, like intellectus, masculine singular and nominative. And he was also, in this way, ideo, cast down, prostratus, same gender, number, and case. We could translate prostratus also as defeated. So the serpent in his efforts to tempt Christ was defeated because agnatus atque detectus, because he was recognized or found out, and he was uncovered. His disguise was removed. So we see this is in fact a very simple Latin sentence. It has a number of masculine singular nominative participles, intellectus, retusus, prostratus, agnatus, and detectus. It has one verb, a number of conjunctions, and here a subordinating conjunction quia, an adverb of degree, ideo, and tamen, a conjunction that's concessive. For the sake of thoroughness, I should probably also mention the conjunction atque. Here is a coin of the Emperor Valerian, who ruled from 253 to 260 AD, under whose persecutions Cyprian lost his life.